Hey, new hunters, ready to step into the field with confidence? Choosing the right rifle cartridge can make or break your hunting experience, especially when you're just starting out. In this video, we're diving into the 5 best hunting rifle cartridges for beginners, rounds that are easy to handle, versatile, and perfect for taking down game without overwhelming you. Whether you're chasing deer, hogs, or small game, we've got you covered with practical tips and expert insights. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which cartridges will help you hunt smarter and shoot straighter. Let's get started. Number 5.
30-30 Winchester. The 30-30 Winchester is a classic American hunting cartridge that's been in continuous use since 1895, one of the most iconic lever-action rounds ever made. Known for its effectiveness on medium-sized game and its use in brush guns, the 30-30 offers a great blend of power and manageable recoil. 30-30 Winchester Quick Overview. Bullet diameter 0.308 in 7.62 m. Muzzle velocity 2200-2400 in reps. 150-170 Dre bullets. Effective range 150-200 yards. Ideal for brush/woods, hunting, typical use, deer, hogs, and black bear in dense terrain. Most common firearm, lever-action rifles, A. G. Winchester Model 94, Marlin 336, Pros, proven game stopper, excellent for whitetail-sized game. Low recoil, comfortable for newer or smaller frame shooter. Lightweight, compact rifles, perfect for dense woods or tree stand hunting. Reliable feeding from lever actions with round nose or flat nose bullets. Cons: limited effective range, 200 yards max, due to bullet shape and energy drop. Tubular magazines require flat or round nose bullets. Limits aerodynamic efficiency. Not ideal for long range or modern precision shooting.
Number 4.
.5 Creedmoor. Ah yes, the 6.5 Creedmoor. The cartridge that sparked a revolution in long-range shooting, competition circles, and even hunting fields. It's the sweet spot between low recoil, high ballistic efficiency, and pinpoint precision. Let's go full deep dive. 6.5 Creedmoor Full Breakdown. General description: caliber 6.5 m. 264, introduced 2007 by Hornady and Creedmoor Sports. Parent case 30T C. Thompson Center, designed for long-range accuracy with low recoil and extreme consistency. What started as a precision rifle competition round has become a go-to for hunters, target shooters, and even the U.S. military in some sniper platforms. Technical specifications bullet diameter 264 in, 6.5 m neck diameter, 295 in, shoulder diameter 462 in, base diameter 470 in, rim diameter 473 in. Case length 1.920 in, overall length 2.825 in. Case capacity 52 grains H2O. Max pressure 62,000 C SAAMI. Available in almost every rifle. Huge market support. Military adoption. Increased credibility and availability. Use cases. Long-range target and PRS dominates precision rifle series PRS. Consistent, repeatable performance at 600-1,000 yards hunting. Highly effective on deer, antelope, hogs, and even elk with premium bullets. Lighter recoil is great for youth, women, and anyone recoil-sensitive tactical/LEO/military. Adopted in sniper platforms like the M110A1 CSASS for its balance of range and controllability. Pros and cons. Pros: extremely accurate and consistent. Manageable recoil, similar to 243 Win or 5.56 NATO. Factory match ammo is readily available and affordable. Flat shooting out to 800-1,000 yards. Excellent barrel life. Cons: not ideal for dangerous game or thick-skinned animals. loses steam beyond 1,200 plus yards, energy drops below ethical hunting levels, overhyped in some circles as a do-it-all round, which it's not. Popular rifles chambered in 6.5 Creedmoor. Ruger Precision Rifle. Savage 110 Elite Precision. Tikka T3XCTR/Light. Bergara B14 HMR. Springfield Waypoint 2020. Christensen Arms Mesa/Ridgeline. AR-10 platforms, semi-auto.
Number 3.
1952 by Winchester. Parent case 7.62 by 51 mm NATO. Case type rimless bottleneck. Bullet diameter 0.308 inch, 7.82 millimeters. Overall length 2.8 inch, 71.1 millimeters. Common bullet weights 147, 180 grains, but ranges from 110 to 200 grains. Typical muzzle velocity 2600 to 2800 FPS, depending on load. Typical muzzle energy 2500 to 2700 foot-pounds. History and development. The .308 Winchester was developed as a civilian version of the 7.62 by 51 mm NATO military cartridge. Winchester released it to the public just before NATO formally adopted its military counterpart. It quickly became popular among hunters, precision shooters, and military/law enforcement. Hunting use. The .308 Win is extremely versatile and can ethically take down a wide range of game: deer, elk, black bear, hogs, antelope. With proper bullet selection, it has excellent penetration and stopping power, making it a favorite for both whitetail woods and open-range elk hunts. Ballistics and performance. Flat shooting up to 300 yards with manageable drop out to 500 yards. Offers solid accuracy and low recoil for its class. Suitable for both short and long-action rifles. Ballistically, it's slightly less powerful than the .30-06 Springfield, but in practice, the difference is often negligible, especially with modern loads. Why it's still relevant in 2025? Massive ammo availability and variety, FMJ, soft point, ballistic tip, etc. Supported by almost every major rifle manufacturer. Effective from short-barrel hunting rifles to sniper platforms. Easy to reload for hand loaders. Performs well in semi-auto, bolt action, and even AR-10 platforms. Limitations. Not ideal for very large or dangerous game like moose or grizzly, though it's been done. Has more drop past 500 yards compared to modern magnums or 6.5 mm cartridges. Can be outperformed in wind drift and long-range ballistics by newer rounds like the 6.5 Creedmoor or .280 AI. Best uses in 2025, general-purpose hunting, tactical training, and police sniper roles. Long-range target shooting, to an extent. Survival/prepper applications due to wide availability. Final verdict? The .308 Winchester remains one of the top all-around cartridges for North American hunters. It's accurate, effective, and time-tested. Truly the Swiss Army knife of rifle calibers.
Number 2.
In 2002 is a short-action Magnum cartridge that boosts the performance of the traditional .27 Winchester. It delivers higher velocities, flatter trajectories, and better energy retention, especially appealing to long-range hunters targeting medium to large game. Cartridge specifications: bullet diameter, .277 inch. Case type, rimless, bottleneck, short magnum design. Case length, 2.10 inch. Overall length, 2.860 inch. Rifling twist rate, 1:10. Primer type, large rifle magnum. SAMI max pressure, 65,000 psi. Note, actual results vary by barrel length and ammo load. Effective hunting range, deer/antelope, 800 plus yards. Elk/moose, 500 to 600 yards. Best use, western big game hunting, long open shots. Pros, extremely flat shooting, ideal for long-range hunting. Hard-hitting energy, excellent terminal performance on big game. Short action compatible, lighter, faster bolt throw. Strong ballistic coefficients with modern bullet designs. Great for elk, deer, and long shots in mountainous or open terrain. Cons, ammo cost and availability. Less common than .270 Win or 6.5 Creedmoor. Recoil, noticeably more than standard .270. Not brutal, but sharp. Barrel life, magnum speeds equals shorter lifespan, approx 1,500–2,500 rounds. Limited factory load selection versus more popular cartridges. Ammo price, 2025 average, standard hunting loads, $55 to $75 per box, 20 rounds. Premium loads, e.g. Nosler AccuBond, Barnes TXX, $70 to $90 plus. Popular rifles chambered in .270 WSM, Browning X-Bolt, Winchester Model 70 Super Grade, Savage 110 Storm, Christensen Arms Mesa, Kimber 84L Montana, Tikka T3X Lite. Final verdict, the .270 WSM is a flatter, faster, and more powerful evolution of the classic .270 Winchester. If you hunt open country and need long-range accuracy with high energy, it's a top-tier choice. However, be prepared for less ammo availability, higher costs, and moderate recoil.
Number 1.
243 Winchester. The 243 Winchester is one of the most popular and versatile rifle cartridges in North America and beyond, especially known for its light recoil, flat trajectory, and effectiveness on a wide range of game. Overview. Type: rifle cartridge. Introduced 1955 by Winchester. Parent case 308 Winchester, neck down to 243 caliber. Designed for varmints, small to medium game, especially deer. Specifications. Bullet diameter 243 inches, 6.17 m. Case length 2.45 inches, 51.9 m. Overall length 2.71 inches, 69 m. Typical bullet weight 55–105 grains. Muzzle velocity 2,900–3,300 fts/s. Depending on bullet weight. Muzzle energy 1,800–2,300 ftlf. Common uses: varmint hunting, light bullets 55–75 grains for coyotes, prairie dogs, groundhogs. Deer hunting, heavier bullets 9,100 plus grains for whitetail. Mule deer. Target shooting, accurate and low recoil option for bench rest or practice shooting. Youth/sensitive shooters, mild recoil makes it a great starter cartridge. Pros: low recoil, comfortable for beginners, women, and youth hunters. Flat trajectory, excellent for longer shots on open terrain. Accurate, known for precision, especially in varmint and target applications. Versatile, can take everything from coyotes to deer with proper bullet selection. Cons: limited stopping power for larger game, not ideal for elk, moose, or large boar unless placement is perfect. Barrel life, high velocity with light bullets can erode barrels faster with heavy use. Wind sensitivity, light bullets can be affected more by wind at long ranges. Popular rifles chambered in 243 Win. Remington Model 700. Savage Axis. Tikka T3X. Final thoughts. The 243 Winchester remains a favorite among hunters and target shooters for a reason: it strikes a great balance between power and manageability. It's a true do-it-all cartridge for light to medium game and a fantastic choice for those just starting in big game hunting.